Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 35th video in Python GUI development with PyQt5. So in the previous video we have learned about creating context menu in PyQt5. So this is from the previous video that we have created this. In this video, so you can see that we have a context menu. In this video I'm going to show you creating of QTabWidget in PyQt5. So let me just create a new Python file and I call it QTabWidget. So QTabWidget, okay. Now so I need to import, so from PyQt5 import Qt GUI. Also I need to, from PyQt5 QTabWidgets, I need to import QUI application, and I need to import QWidget, QDialog. Okay, so also let me import sys, and from PyQt5 QTGUI I need to import QIcon. So now these are the imports that we will need more imports, but for right now these are so also I need to just I need to import QTabWidget. Okay, QTabWidget. Okay, now the first thing I need, I'm going to create a class. I call it tab. It inherits from QDialog. Let me write the constructor. So super constructor. Okay, after this let me solve dot set window title to PyQt5 QTabWidget, and solve dot set window icon to QIcon. I have an icon that's icon.png. Okay, now so first of all let me just create my main application. So underscore main, I want to create the application object, so Q application sys dot argv. Also now I need to create a tab dialog. I call it tab. Let me show this. So tab dialog dot show, and also I need to execute the app. So app dot execute. Okay, now let me just run this, and I should see a window, and after that we are going to start writing off. So now you can see we have a window. Now after this in here the first thing I need, okay, now before this let me import a QWidget in here. So QWidget, okay, and let me create another class in here. So I call it tab contact, and it inherits from QWidget. Let me write a constructor super.init. After this in our class tab, our main class, I'm going to create a VBox layout. So now let me import some classes in here. I need a QVBox layout. I need also a QDialog button. QDialog button box. Okay, another one that I need, that is a QTabWidget. QTabWidget. So let me just check this, that where's QTabWidget? QTabWidget. Okay, so now after this, now in here let me create a VBox layout, VBox Q VBox layout, and I need to create my tab widget, QTabWidget. Also I need a button. So for right now I don't need, but I will make after this. Okay, first let me show you that what's the tab widget. And so now I'm going to add, I have created my tab widget object, and now I want to add so I want to add my this first tab contact to my tab widget. Now you can simply write tab widget dot add tab, and I want the tab contact, and in here you can give the name of your tab. For example, I want to give contact details. Okay, like this. And also let me just vbox dot add widget, and I want to add my tab widget. Also vbox dot add widget. Oh, okay, I want to set this, so self dot set layout to my vbox layout. Okay, now let me just run this, and hopefully I see a tab. Okay, now you can see that we have a tab in here. So this is the first tab, this is a contact details. Also you can change that the size of text, but I don't want to change for right now. Okay, now this was our first tab. Let me create another tab. Right now there is no, we don't have any widget in this tab. So now in here I have a class tab person details, QWidget, and super dot init. Okay, so now let me also add this in here, tab widget dot, I want to create two tabs. This is tab person details, and the name of my tab is I want to give it person details. So yeah, personal details. Okay, and after this let me run this. Okay, now you can see I have two tabs in here. So it's contact details, and this is our personal details. Now I want to add some widgets in my contact details first. So let me find this class tab contact. I need some imports in here. So the first thing I need a QLabel. Also I need a QLineEdit. Okay, right now I just need these. So let me create a name, some labels. So name label, QLabel, this is the name. I have a name edit, this is a line edit, QLineEdit. Let me create another one. So this is phone, QLabel phone, and also phone edit, QLineEdit. Okay, now let me just copy this, paste that in here. This is for email email, and let me give it like this. So email and email edit. Let me copy and paste it again. So okay, also I need address, so let me add addr address addr edit. Okay, now I'm going to create a VBox layout. So VBox Q VBox layout, and I'm going to add these widgets in my VBox. So VBox.addWidget. I want to add the name label. VBox.addWidget. I want to add the name edit. Okay, now let me just copy this. I need for all of them. So copy, paste it in here. This is for my phone and phone edit. Email, so email and email edit. Let me copy once more. This is for address, so address, and I want to add the address edit. Okay, and at the end we need to set the layout. So self dot set layout to the VBox layout. Okay, now let me just run this, and I want to check that I see something in here. Okay, now you can see that this is our first tab, and these are the fields that we have given. And you can see in personal details we don't have anything, but in contact details we have these: name, phone, and email, and address. Okay, now let me just also add two buttons in here. So at the top, okay, now in here I'm going to create a button box. Button box, QDialog button box, QDialog button box dot OK, and or QDialog button box dot cancel. Okay, so button box dot accept it dot connect to self dot accept, and button box dot reject it, so dot connect self dot reject. Okay, now let me just run this again. Oh, so also I need to add this to my layout. So VBox.addWidget, and I want to add my button box. Now let me run this. Okay, now you can see we have two buttons in here, and also in personal details we have also. So now I am going to add some more information in my personal details. So let me bring it in here. So this is my tab personal details class, and in here first let me just I need a group box in here, Q group box. Also another import that I need, that is Q checkbox, Q checkbox. Okay, now we are going to start our tab personal coding. Create a group box, Q group box, and select your gender. Let me create a list. this is male and female, and now I'm going to create a combo box. So combo q combo box. Now I want to add items to my combo box. Combo dot add items, combo dot add items. Oh, sorry, it's Q checkbox. Oh, I don't have yeah, this is not checkbox. I need a Q combo box. Q combo box and combo dot add items, and I want to add my less than here. Okay, after this create a VBox layout, Q VBox layout, and I want to add VBox.addWidget. Now I want to add this combo to my vertical box layout, so combo like this, and also I need to set the layout from my group box to VBox. Okay, like this. So now just let me check this, and before adding more components in here, first I'm going to create a main layout, Q VBox layout, and main layout dot add widget, and I want to add my first group box in here, self dot set layout to the main layout. Okay, now let me just test this that I have these combo boxes. Okay, now in my personal details you can see that I have selected your gender and I have male and female. Okay, so I want to add some more widgets in here. Okay, so after this let me create a group box 2, another group box. I call it group box 2 Q group box, and for this select your favorite programming language. Okay, like this. Now the first one is Python. Let me also, I need a Q checkbox, Q checkbox. So it is a little longer video, but don't worry, I will add the source code to the video description. You can check that. So Q checkbox, and the first one is Python. We have CPP, Q checkbox, and C++, Java, Q checkbox, Java, C#, Q checkbox, and C#. Now we are going to create another VBox layout, so I call it VBox P and Q VBox layout. Now I want to add these to my VBox, so VBox P dot add widget, and I want to add Python. So let me copy this because this is for CPP, this is for Java, and this is for C#. Okay, C#. After adding this, now we need to set the layout, so groupbox2 dot set the layout, and we want to set the VBox P, and after that we are going to add this to our main layout, so main layout dot add widget, and we are going to add our groupbox2. Okay, now this is the complete code, and I will add this code to the video description. So now let me just run this, and we have created a nice tab widget. So you can do more with tab widget. Now you can see I have a nice tab widget. This is the personal details, and select your favorite programming language. You can choose male, gender, and like this. So this is the contact details. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, Please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like the videos.